Welcome to my channel SP Fun Puzzles. It is a secret tutorial for cubes. One of the book with the formula. It is available online. So this I got for 159 rupees in Amazon site. Around 159 to 200 this book is available. So here we have all notations and all formulas and all. Let us unbox it. So when we open this book, so here we can see clearly that all the notations are there, but these notations not that much easy. I mean we can't solve the cube by using these pictures, but a few puzzles, okay, like we are having 7 by 7 cube, 6 by 6 cube, and barrel cube, axis cube, fisher cube, all the different type of cubes, some formulas we can get from here. See, here we can see the index. One thing I will let you know that if you solve 3 by 3 cube, so here we need one or two additional formulas to solve other cubes that we will get from this book. So here we have 3 by 3 cube tutorial, 2 by 2 CFOF algorithm, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 by 7. So here CFOF algorithm, those who wanted to solve the cube in 30 seconds or 40 seconds, they can use these formulas. So here we have around 57 formulas. So okay, so I am solving the cube by using the beginners method, that is a 3 by 3 cube. So that is take little bit 50 to 60 seconds. So if you want to solve in 10 seconds below, you use CFOF method. So here we have mega mix, cube, pyramix, ice cube, okay, 2 into 2 into 3, mirror cube, master morphics, gear cube. In this manner all the cubes are there. So all the cube notations you will get here in color printout. So okay, if you want to try yourself, if you want to apply 3 by 3 formula, and if you want to get additional formulas, you can use this. So here we have 3 by 3, here we have 2 by 2, here we have 5 by 5, here we have 6 by 6. Okay, here we have mega mix formulas, and here we have mega mix again. So in this mega mix also 2 by 2 available, and 3 by 3 available, 4 by 4 available, 5 by 5 available, pyramix formula. So here you can see cuboid 2 into 2 into 3. So these are the some formulas that you can solve. See here master morphics is there, so we can solve all these formulas. So here we have this how to solve the puzzle. This cube is square cube, which is known as square cube algorithms. So mostly all algorithm you will get, but here you should have some patience and you have to solve this cube. So this is a different type of cube which is known as a 2 into 3. Okay, so these are all the formulas are there. Gear pyramix cube, gear 2 by 2, gear 4 by 4, gear 3 by 3, like this many cubes are there, so you can solve. So these are the all the boxes that I have purchased, and I am solving by using the cube, I mean 3 by 3 formulas only, and I have succeeded. So those who are interested, I am suggesting you to solve all this cube by using the 3 by 3 formula only. It will take some time, but you should apply your knowledge, so it may increase your solving capacity. So here we have a gear cube. So this is the 3 by 3 gear cube. So this we can solve easily by using the 3 by 3 formula. So here we have all our Cuborello brand cubes. This Cuborello brand cubes available in the market. Here we have gear cube, master morphics, and mirror cube. So these are all the cubes you can solve easily. So try your application knowledge, test your patience, apply your knowledge whatever you have for the 3 by 3 cubes, and solve all the cubes. Okay, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.